ducks went out one day, red and yellow, blue in the fray, green and purple, waddling wide, over the hill to the other side. Quack, 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 where are you? One little duck said peek-a-boo. Four came back, feathers askew, but where's the red one? No one knew. Four little ducks with tails so neat skipped and splashed with their webbed feet over the stream and through the reeds, chasing bugs and munching seeds. Quack, 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 where are you? One little duck said peek-a-boo. Three came back, feathers askew, but where's the yellow one? No one knew. One by one they wandered far, following trails of shiny stars. Mama duck called, her voice so sweet, come back home, it's time to eat. Quack, 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 where are you? One by one they peeked on through, all five back, feathers askew, and Mama said, I missed all of you.